Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing very well today. Today's recipe is a delicious eggplant appetizer prepared in a simple way. It turns out very tasty and full of flavor. For the ingredients, I am using 4 medium-sized eggplants. I also have cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of salt adjusted to taste. Now let us move on to the preparation steps. I start by peeling the eggplants in this striped way. I leave some skin and continue peeling until all the eggplants are done. After washing them well, I cut the eggplants into slices like this. I continue cutting them evenly. Then I cut them into cubes in a simple and random way. I keep cutting until all the eggplants are ready. After that, I add the cornstarch. I'd also add the salt. I mix everything well until the eggplants are fully coated. Next, I heat a pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. I then add a quarter of an onion since mine is quite large. It is better to use a small onion if you have one. I slice the onion thinly like this. I saute the onion for about 1 minute. I stir lightly without letting it brown too much. Then I add the eggplant cubes to the pan. The eggplants already contain salt and cornstarch. I mix gently and keep stirring until the color starts to change. I want to show you the correct cooking texture. Once colored, I add 5 crushed garlic cloves. Next, I add half of a colored bell pepper sliced lengthwise. I mix everything so the flavors combine well. I let the bell pepper cook slightly before moving on. Then I add 1 teaspoon of dried coriander. I also add half a teaspoon of black pepper. I mix well so the spices coat the eggplant evenly. After cooking the eggplant, I add fruit jam that I prepared earlier. You can find the recipe link in the video description. I mix the jam with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and add it in. If you prefer, you can replace the jam with honey and lemon juice. Strawberry jam with lemon juice also works very well. Mix it well before adding it to the eggplant. Then add the mixture directly to the pan. I add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I mix everything well and turn off the heat. Now it is ready for serving. I turn off the heat completely and prepare the serving plate. This is the final result of this eggplant Zalak. This version is different from the traditional classic Zalak. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video with a new recipe from Spice and Easy Kitchen.